I'm alone in the bus. I'm alone at the train stop. Can't believe it. Smells like shit. Who needs a garbage? I'm gonna pick it up. Sorry. I'm gonna put it in the garbage. Sorry. Smack. Me in class. How I should do it. How I actually do it.
Baby food. You cheating?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
How I should do it. How I really do.
Yeah.
Hey, John. When I'm alone at home. Mom, come home. No phones, huh? I don't give a fuck. Mais c'est quoi? My sister's sleeping with earphones. Where's the snow? I can wait. I got an annoying clock. So yeah, I snowboard. You know, some days you just want to go on the streets and fucking kill everybody.
C'est grave. C'est grave comment tu travailles. Ça, je vais discuter avec papa. C'est vraiment.
Oh yeah, I'm making my way downtown. Fuck my bus, You know what?
No, fuck this guy.
When you're taking a shit, you're like. Don't you like to fly? Oh fuck my bus again, okay? So now I'm going to the club. So yeah, it's a gym fit club. So now what? Old people everywhere. So I'm gonna try something bigger. How much? 40? Oh. I love playing with my shadow. Where am I gonna sit? Oh yeah, I love your toilet. Oh yeah. Oh, and your teeth brush. Oh yeah. Oh my god. What should I do? Oh my god, fucking shit. If you're really tired and you got a bed like mine, not going up there, I'm sleeping on the floor. Oh my god, my room is such a mess. I don't want to live anymore. Don't do that, John. Why? Because if you jump, I will kill you. Okay, man, well. So I went to that place you told me. Yeah? What? Get your nasty ass out. It's the coolest thing I ever seen. Look, man. Red, yo. Some red thing everywhere. What happens when I spin a globe? Whoa. Oh, I've seen enough. When the moon is up, I'm just like. Victim. You don't know how powerful I am. Are you a transformer? Oh no, you're just a jaguar, faggot. Yo man, can I have some? Sure, but just a bit, huh? Okay. What's this kind of weather, huh? Fucking sun is out, but it's still fucking raining. Fuck weather, fuck me. Boss, you should stop! Stop! I am in the middle of nowhere. There is no sign of life anywhere. Oh fuck, oh shit. Could you please stop? Sorry. Thanks. Yo, man! I'm in a helicopter, yeah. So we can see we are overflying the... Oh shit, fuck. Why you hiding, man? What's so ugly? Oh, fuck that! Ugly bitches everywhere! Whoa! Want a tissue? Thanks. Are you serious, Rain? That's so cool! A Red Bull car at my school. So cool. When I'm the only one in class to know the answer. It never happened. I never knew the answer. What was I talking about while we were talking to your neighbor? About politics. Yeah, you're right.
Bitch, I'm a boss-ass bitch.
Wanna see my aquarium? Fishy, fishy, fishy. You know they can live without water. Fishy, fishy.
You've lost.
I don't think so. This is a training run. You know? Finally, when the teacher said, "Children, you are too young for this movie," you were like, "That's not an excuse. I've seen Rambo, Terminator." Just walk. What the? What? Man. All right. We're cool now. I'm alone at the McDonald's. Listening to music on Fridays. On Mondays. Are you crazy? You can't just park here. You can't park here. Bless you. What's up? Thank you. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Nah. Yeah, could you please give me the answers of question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9?
That thing, she gon' pop that.
Oh, that was one too much.
I am a god.
Fresse. Fresse. First time I was in a gondola. Oh my god, it's so fucking high. I don't want to die. Where are my keys? Wait a second. Do you know this stupid It stopped!
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
No, I ain't happy anymore, asshole. So Macklemore says his code was 99 cents. And this code isn't 99. He's a liar. Alright, the party starts in 1 hour. Turn it up. We're not ready, man. Oh, it's the other way.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna help you. What I wanna do. What I really do.
Blast my pussy. Okay, blast it low. Almost okay.
Police is after me. I don't know where they are. Oh fuck! Shit. Arrête. Oh. Me at the gym.
Say hello to my little friend.
You should say hello. My problem. Talking with any girl. With my crush. Huh? Oh, Pat.
I'm a stoner.
We love it. We love it. No more playing! No more! She mad? Or no? Trainers be like,
I got my eyes on everything that I see. I won't show.
if you can't concentrate learning, just throw a ball a day. And again. It helps. Är vi klienter? Nej. How to drink water.
What's she doing?
Nothing.
You sure?
I'm fine. Did you understand what I explained? Yeah.
Yeah.
What did he explain?
I don't know. Anybody get time for that?
Shit. The walls were blue. The walls represent his depression and his loneliness. That is fucking blue. Come on.
In the car, alone, no driver.
Oh, I don't want to learn it. Ah! Message, okay.